1,799 dirhams, pwede ka na agad simulan ang iyong sariling kumpanya. At yes, pwede pang i-installment. Hindi ito joke, hindi ito teaser. Totoong business opportunity para sa'yo. This is a real, complete legal business setup. At hindi lang yan, kasama pa ang freebies worth 60,000 dirhams para ready ang negosyo mo from day one. Kasama na ang corporate tax registration assistance at bank account opening guidance. Legal, smooth, walang sabit, walang paikot-ikot. Plus, kami na ang bahala sa social media pages mo, Facebook, Instagram, and multiple business pages para may online presence ka agad. At may basic business website ka pa. Isang setup, instant professional brand. Pero ito na talaga yung knockout punch. Exposure to 1.1 million viewers. Yes, exposure agad. Kasama ang 3 business interview features na pwede mong i-post, i-share, at i-flex. Ibig sabihin, hindi ka magsisimula sa zero. Makikita ka, maririnig ka, mapapansin ka. Lahat to nasa iisang bundle. Walang hidden drama, walang dagdag gulatan, diretsong value. 60,000 dirhams worth of bonuses, free. Start your business today, bayad later, grow faster. Comment business at i-turn natin ang idea mo into a full-blown business. Yes, Pinoy Pro Solutions beyond borders.